Getting ready to test the 5-cylinder rotary steam engine on live steam. We got 15 litres of oil, reservoir of water. I've just filled the tank up. I've removed the spark plug and put in a valve. It was easier. I can check if I got enough water coming out as well. Alright, so we have a resistor which is, I think it was 17.6 ohms. I think it says 18 ohms on the writing. And we have a 15 ohms load as well. I mean a 50. The white one's a 50 and that one's 17.6 measuring through the multimeter. So I'll set everything up. I'll light the fire because I got a small bits of pine to get it going first. I've got a flow meter still. Water pump's connected to the battery, which is connected to a charger. Air thing, blower, is connected to that power supply, which is running off the mains. We'll be trying the 3D printed twisted serpentine coil generator. I've oiled that up. I'm squirting some oil down into the outlet ports. So we have voltage, and this one will be the amperage. We're running the 50 ohms resistor for now. We're converting it down to around about 12 volts. I might have to get a screwdriver so I can adjust the 12 volts. Got the air pump on at 20%. Keep this open. Oh, we've already got hot water coming out. Might have to pump some water. It's expanding. Coming out. Oh, so that's already at 440. Main tube's 55 on the outer. Up the top here it's 70. 35. Give it some oil. That much. It's a bit of a warm day. Ambient air, 28 degrees, middle of July. Very sunny. Gauge. That's how fast I'm pumping. I don't want to overfill it or it squirts out. You can see the coal still in there. I'm using this pine wood. Oh, missed that bit. Up the temperature. Look out, Kamek. Kamek the cat's interested. He'll be running off in a minute. Back! Get away! Come on! Away! Yeah, always sits in line of danger, don't they? Starting to steam up already. It's only been not even 5 minutes. We're at 100 up there. 75 still down there. The fumes come up and go down and then out the chimney. Chimney's 75. Just give it a boost of water. watts at any given time. I've got the pump on. Sounds like it's starting to roar. Alright, getting some steam now. We're at 124. Give it another burst. I think the oil's starting now. You can sort of hear it changing sounds. We're still just dripping in. Have a steel ball stick on top of that. Now we're directing it straight into the tub. Well, the tub's overheating. We're about a metre away. We're still too hot. About a metre and a half away. Alright, we're at, well, still about 2 metres, nearly 540 degrees, and this is the range for the calibration. Alright, maybe I shut the valve off and give it a run. I got a blast plate here just in case, because I'm like right in the line of the fucking thing if it goes, if it disintegrates on me. Start a bit more water. I'll shut the main valve and build up some pressure, see what happens. Alright, we're starting to build up some pressure. Give it a bit of a burst of water. Dripping at that rate. We're at 15 psi. Oh, I think I've got a little bit of leak there. Need to tighten that up. Maybe. Reaching 20, going to 25. Alright, let's crank open this. But we're dropping. Give it some water. Alright, add it some water. We're at 4 volt DC, 48 milliamps, 50. Not at the 50 psi yet, we're at 20. Give it some more water. Oh, we're losing it. We're at 2 volts. Degrees up there now. More water. Oh, we've lost it. We're not quite hot enough. It's turning though. Alright, oh, we're shut off now. We got some PSI going. Oh, here we go. It's a bit early, and plus I got to fill around with the water. Not sure how much to put in. That's really tricky, that part of this situation. Alright, we're at heading up to 40. Not quite hot enough. I've increased the oil a bit. I wonder if we should increase the fan speed. Try a couple of notches up. It's on 20%. 21. Oh, we're at 40 psi, coming to 50. Are we leaking too much? Expansion. Feeling tighter. Oh, 50. Oh, we're at 40. Not going to run, is it? I think we need more than 40 psi to run that when it heats up. Oh, I don't know what's happening. Back pressure is slowing the water down now. At 22%. Let's turn the pump off, I think. Yep. How hot's that? That should tell us. About 64 degrees, so that's 57 there. Certainly turned before the heat got to it, didn't it? Could all be expanding in there, getting too tight. Alright, 30 degrees. I mean 30 psi. Water's like 22%, but it doesn't look like it's moving. I'll increase the pressure. There we go. 29% makes that move. Oh, we're cruising up now. 40 40 psi. Uh-oh. We're not going to work, are we? We're increasing in PSI with the valves open, but it's not happening. We're at 50, blow off valve will go off in a second. At least the blow off valve still triggers at 50. Pity I couldn't get a bigger one. That was it. Come from America, that one. 40, nearly. Pump up some water. I don't think it's going to work. Oh, the water pressure's too much for it. 31. There we are. Oh, down to 50. Blow off valve. And T minus 1, 2, 3. So we're pumping water now. Let's see if we can keep the pressure when it gets to 45. No, I think it's expanded. We need a lot more. Alright, we failed. The little air engine must seize up. Functioning now. We've got that much water flow, but we can't get that to work. What happened? Did you hear that silence? Oh, we're smoking. Are we going to lose our fire? Try the air. Uh-oh. I think we're going to lose our fire. Yeah, we're really smoking. Oh, we're smoking a bit too much. Too much oil. Cut my oil off. Gonna have to abort the fucking thing. Alright, we're making something's going alright, must have been too much oil, but I got the main valve open and we're making 35 psi constant. I think I filled it up with too much oil. Constant. Oh, red. Starting to smoke again. Right, can't get that to run. Try no load on it. Alright, let it burn out. Pump's been running all this time at 31%. Got the oil off. Doing 30 psi constant sort of. Oh, that's a bummer. Feels a bit tight too. 74 degrees, so expanding maybe. Got both valves open. Smoking again without oil. And we reached 371. I wonder how much oil's in there to burn out. Hoping it would work. Still pretty clear. That does get hotter. Out of there. The flow rate. Just can't get enough pressure. Just up a bit more now. And it's blowing smoke again. Wonder what causes that. I'll have the fire brigade around here in a minute. that oil going for a while. But we need something different. Hope that oil runs out soon. Just cooling down yet. 58 degrees. It feels tight. Let me adjust that clamp. The power supply just shut off for the fan, so something just died. Should have been ample enough power. 50 amps, 24 volts. Surely. I heard a pop. So now we got oil fire burning at the bottom there. Well, that was failed. But still. Yeah, that feels tight. Could have moved. It's hot to touch, can't hang on to it. It is feeling tight. Bad machining, I guess, too. I'm only an amateur at machining. Well, I did have like 3 of those to test and the big one, but can't do it now. That pump's broken. The air thing has popped. Damn. Oh well, thanks for watching. So I found this grub screw here was loose and the shaft where I cut the key was tilted. I put it back in its spot and it's loosened up, but we don't have an air pump now. So it may have ran. Well, have a look at the air thing, see what's wrong. Hey, there's the culprit. Looks like a fuse, eh? It's totally like broken apart. I wonder why that overvoltaged. It's rated for 240 volts. No, 260 volts. Output 240. 24 volts I mean, and 50 amps. Wonder if that's part of the output. These are the output leads here though. Inputs. What's on the other side? Well, nothing under there, just the soldering. So it is something there. Wild. Must have drew too much. Wonder what the input amperage would be. It just says output. Surely it wouldn't draw more than it should. No specs on this thing. It was a battery powered thing. Probably it's got one of these type of motors in it. Maybe they're greedy.